Today I am talking about a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd every day to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and political ethicist in India. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, 2nd October, is the national holiday. Globally, Gandhi's birthday is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, multiple events like campaigns, rallies, poster making, speeches are organized in every nook and corner of the country. On this day, educational institutions organize various cultural and academic programs to inculcate the value of leadership, simplicity, and integrity in students. Students participate in huge numbers in speech and debates on this day. Greetings to all distinguished guests, and we are celebrating. After he went to London for higher studies, Mahatma Gandhi completed his law degree from England and returned to India in 1891. After being able to start a successful law practice in India, Mahatma Gandhi moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant in a lawsuit. He went to stay for 21 years in South Africa and returned to India in 1915. After coming back to India, he started organizing farmers and urban laborers to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination by British government. In 1921, he formed Indian National Congress and led nationwide campaigns for raising poverty and expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic immunity, ending untouchability, and above all for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. Gandhiji led Indians in challenging the British imposed salt tax with 400 km Dandi Salt March in 1930, later in calling for the British to quit India movement in 1942. During the 1947 partition of India, Pakistan, Gandhiji helped many Hindus, Muslims, and Sikhs. Some people thought that Gandhiji was too accommodating. Among them was Nathuram Godse, who assassinated Gandhi on 30th January 1948 by firing 3 bullets into his chest. The lifestyle of Gandhiji was very simple. He ate simple vegetarian food and took long fast as a means of self-purification and political protest. He taught lessons of ahimsa, non-violence to all people across the world. Thank you, Bapuji. We love him very much. Thank you.